Hi, this is Kishore.
And I'm Dheeraj, and we are from SIT.
We received an assignment on automatic light detector from TechTree, a industrial training program.
So we're gonna show you how to make one.
These are the components required: LDR, a 20 kilo ohm pot, a 10 kilo ohm pot, 10 kilo ohm resistor, and 220 ohms resistor, a relay of 9 volts, and a transistor BC547B, and an LED, and one IC LM324N.
In this circuit, you can see we are using a op-amp of LM324 and we are using a LDR. LDR is basically a device where the resistance offered by this component is inversely proportional to the intensity of light applied. In this VR of 20 kilo ohm pot is acting as a light level adjustment, and VR acts as toggle adjustment where you can set the brightness of the light, and we are giving the output of the op-amp to a transistor BC547, which is used as an amplification purpose, and the output from the collector is given to the relay, where relay can be used for external component driving.
Here is the demonstration. What you are looking at is an LDR, and this is a 20 kilo ohm port which is used to avoid toggling, and here we are using an IC LM324 which is an op amp, and we are using a relay to drive the external circuit, and we are using 9 volt DC battery as a power supply. When the lights are on, the resistance offered by the LDR is low and the LED is off. When the light gets off, the resistance offered by the LDR is high and the LED gets on. When the light gets on, the LED gets off.
This circuit can be implemented in street lights so that it can save electricity. Thank you.
Thank you.